This video explains building information modeling, BIM, and its applications in the construction and built environment sector. This video originally presented by Dr. Elam Delzenda and summarized by Sophy. Introduction to BIM, Building Information Modeling. Presented by Dr. Elam Delzenda, Senior Lecturer in Digital Built Environment, Birmingham City University. BIM, or Build Information Modeling, is not a new idea or concept. It has been with us for many years. Every year, more and more professionals in architecture, architectural technology, building surveying, quantity surveying, construction management, and property development and planning are implementing BIM. BIM can increase the efficiency of projects, improving collaboration between different stakeholders, and creating a central model that contains all the project information are only some of the added values of implementing BIM. Intelligence process. ChatGPT. The intelligence process refers to the systematic approach used by intelligence agencies and organizations to collect, analyze, and disseminate information relevant to national security, law enforcement, or other strategic interests. It typically involves several key stages. 1. Model-based project. 2. Project stack stakeholder. 3. Connect building industry. 4. Throughout project lifecycle. 5. Central model. 6. Building data. Digital representation. 5. BIM is not a new idea or concept. It has been with us for many years now. Developments in technology have enabled the construction industry to plan, design, construct, and manage more complex and larger-scale projects. Every year, more and more professionals in architecture, architectural technology, building surveying, quantity surveying, construction management, and property development and planning are implementing BIM. The efficiency of projects, improving collaboration between different stakeholders, and creating a central model that contains all the project information are only some of the added values of implementing BIM. So, what is BIM? U is evolution, not revolution. It was developed over many years by varied scholars from all over the globe who worked hand in hand with software developers. The first BIM concept that appeared on PCs was in 1984. 2 years later, in 1986, Robert Arch introduced the term building modeling for the first time. Building performance data appeared on early BIM applications in 1993. The golden years of BIM development were from late 1990s to early 2000s. While there are different definitions of BIM, it is a process that improves collaboration between different stakeholders throughout building's life cycle. BIM is a process of working together to advance the efficiency of construction projects. The most important element of a BIM process is a BIM model that contains all building information. So here are two important questions: what can we do with a building model? And what building information can be integrated into a digital model? The answer to both questions is everything. A BIM model includes a detailed 3D model with all architectural and structural elements, mechanical and electrical systems, spaces, details, schedules, and all sort of documentations. It can easily calculate cost estimation, material quantities, energy performance, etc. Is BIM only useful for large and complex projects? Absolutely not. Implementing BIM is highly beneficial for different types of projects with various functions and scales. Is BIM useful for small-scale projects? Yes. And here are some more detailed answers to these questions. Scan to BIM for real-time surveying and incorporation of site features create a huge potential to design and construct spaces that are perfectly integrated with various site-specific conditions. Implementing BIM will also increase project precision and accuracy, less errors and mistakes. It will also improve the coordination between different disciplines involved in a project, which will eventually result in minimizing time and cost of the project. Using BIM, we can have planned overlaps within different stages of the project, which results in reducing the project time and cost. Let's discuss some of the many issues the construction industry was facing before the implementation of BIM incompatible its systems. Lots of problems around file sharing and different file formats, extensive use of paper email overload as more conversations were required among different stakeholders. Low data security and unclear modern data ownership, low transparency of information flow, loss of revision documents, limited project records, and finally, there was no central model containing all project information. Using one system of digital models increases the synchronization between various documents produced by different professionals involved in a project. BIM is the process of designing, constructing, and managing a building or infrastructure collaboratively using advanced link digital models. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful and informative. In the next series of videos, I will explain BIM capabilities in more details, its various dimensions and applications. Take care.